Let's take a look at a large-scale construction project or an active industrial facility with thousands of employees. At first glance, everyone is active, the workplace is busy, and the processes seem to go well. But if you look closer, you would see chit-chat, liberal coffee breaks, and long smoke pauses. Someone taking a nap, or even playing with their phone. At the same time, employees are not always the cause of downtime, but often end up being hostages of inefficient work management. For example, planning mistakes or lack of planning. Lack of prioritizing. On-site infrastructure which is located inconveniently. Excessive movement and frequent changes of workplace. Irrational use of manual labor or lack of materials. Delays in queues for shift trucks, warehouse, getting a work order, canteen and other downtime. To see the real picture, key metrics should be digitized. We present a complex solution from ITS. WorkWatch, smart devices to improve company efficiency and employee safety. The device is designed specifically for the construction industries. They collect employees' performance data right on site. The data is transferred for analysis to the ERP system, which generates clear and comprehensive reports. WorkWatch devices allow to evaluate the activity of a team, an individual employee, or a project as a whole. Identify where idle or wasted time occurs. The ITS solution has 5 basic functions. The first function, the employee activity analysis, allows you to get an objective picture of each employee's work. All activities are divided into 3 types: work, walking, idle. The system makes it possible to control the pace of work, to determine at what stage time is lost, go deeper into details and optimize the process. Objective data collection benefits both the company and the employees. Good work is fairly rewarded. Employees can see the data in a mobile application, which is also part of our solution. Another function of WorkWatch, specific activity logging, is able to recognize hammering, drilling, unloading construction materials, and other types of work. Moreover, the system distinguishes between useful and imitation activities. The automated timesheets function shows the actual number of hours worked, which also helps to improve discipline. The employee location tracking feature shows the real, not nominal presence of a person at the workplace. Specific employees can be quickly located on the site and help monitor access to hazardous or restricted areas. The function is useful in monitoring movements of the security personnel. Accident alert function can recognize a fall from a height or a weak or absent pulse. Using the SOS button on the WorkWatch, an employee will be able to make their own call for help in the event of a sudden health concern or an emergency. Implementing WorkWatch devices gives you access to accurate project data, from monitoring the execution of the schedule to the action of a particular employee. Increase in labor productivity up to 2 times. Average payback period of 6 to 12 months. The WorkWatch system uses electronic devices of its own design, as well as its own software, both in devices themselves and in the server part. The system can be flexibly adapted to your needs and is compatible with third-party hardware and software. The ITS solution makes business transparent, HR decisions simpler, bonuses fairer, productivity higher, and management decisions accurate and efficient. Learn more about ITS WorkWatch capabilities.